Hello people outside of my mother's basement, I'm Sumora, as a 5. How are you today? I hope you are fine. If you are not fine, it will get better, trust me. And today's topic, Windows Shell Startup. This should also work in Windows 7, but I use, as now, Windows 10 virtual machine, which is a story to other day. So, what is a Windows Shell in the first place? Shell is a way of Windows or other operating system to organize objects in your operating system, so it's like a secretary of your own operating system, which keeps all of your data in hierarchy and helps you to execute tasks and creates notifications for you. And now we are going to create one task more to our secretary to create the startup command to basically start whatever file or program we want. So it's one reason why we use virtual machine is because I have to restart the computer, so I do not have to use phone or other programs to show how it works in demonstration. So how do I access to this part of the shell startup? You can use run as a Windows program. There are run program. You can access run program by pressing Windows and R button from your keyboard, or you can use Windows and X to open something like advanced startup menu, and you can choose run from there, or you can right click startup menu and you can see also this. In Windows 7 this works like you open this, there are a search bar in here, and you should be able to write there run and select the program. I do not know about those shortkeys Windows plus X, that should it work in Windows 7, but it's a story to other day also. Okay, so now we access to shell itself. Shell $startup. Okay. So you see that this folder is empty. Usually when I look up here first time, we can see there is Microsoft's OneDrive Professional Edition shortcut. I use shortcuts in here because it's easy to remove them, and you do not have to, every time you want to access the file, you do not have to restart the computer or get in the shell, so I recommend you to use shortcuts. So I have here a dummy text file, test text file. Say that 5 times in a row. So this is my test file, and I create shortcut of it. And adding this file to here makes it to start when we start up the computer or restart. In Task Manager, we can see you can access Task Manager by pressing Ctrl Startup. We can see in here Startup we have Microsoft OneDrive, our text file, VirtualBox question and Windows Defender notification, blah blah blah. We can turn off here also any program what we do not want to start when a computer starts by pressing disable. So its status code is disabled and it should not start with the computer. Now we close this, and I also have other file in here in pictures, so you can see I have also created dummy picture shortcut that I do not have to create it with video and save a little bit of time. And now when we restart our computer, like so, every program or file which we placed in the startup folder should restart with the computer. And this takes a while, and I can tell you that you do not need to have any administration permissions to do this. It's on your own profile folder in Windows operating system. Any other user do not have access to it, but sometimes system administrators put some default files or programs on to shell startup, and you shouldn't touch them, because system administration do not want you to might even not even to you to know this. But it's good way to watch if there is any malicious malware in your computer and you think it's restarting. And where we can use this shell startup. Oh, this is so slowly starting Windows operating system right now. But you can open common files what you really need in everyday use, like you can put Adobe programs or Chrome or other internet browser to the shortcut in folder, and it should starting in a same time you start the computer. What the heck is wrong with this computer? Vänta på lite. Okay, back into business. So now the computer is, I had some difficulties with this virtual machine, but it should be over now. And here is the startup. And when we wait a little moment, every program or file that we placed in the folder should start like this. Here we are. There's the dummy picture and the text file. And so. Thank you everyone for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.